Okay, welcome back, lawn amateurs. And today we're going to get down our 4th of July Milorganite application along with some humic acid. Yes, liquid humic acid. Stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back, lawn amateurs. Like you see in front of you here, I'm going to get down my 4th of July Milorganite application. I know I'm a little late. I wasn't able to get it down like how I like to get it down, maybe like a day or two before 4th of July actually hit, so it can water in and maybe start boosting that green color. But my lawn is pretty okay. It's still that nice medium green, and Milorganite, that is just a schedule that it's like a guideline that they actually provide for you to use on maybe the 4 major holidays. You don't really have to use it on the exact holidays, but it's just a recommendation. But what I'm more excited about today is me adding humic acid to my lawn, to this lawn actually for the first time. It's the humic acid 12%. I actually ordered it offline. A lot of people have been requesting that I use it and give it a go on my lawn so I can get better results. I've used humic acid before on a different lawn. I used the granular formula, so this is the first time I'm actually going to use a liquid formula. The granular formula is actually a little bit better in concentrate because it's actually 70%. This one here is only 12%, but it was like about 17 bucks for the bottle, so I can't complain. I went ahead and bought that one, and I'm going to give it a go for the first time. The benefits of adding humic acid to your lawn it's a great thing to add to your lawn because it helps your lawn. It helps stabilize the soil pH. It also increases soil bacteria in your lawn, the good bacteria, along with helping your lawn or anything. You can use it on anything. You can use it on the gardens, plants, anything. You can use humic acid on pretty much anything. Trees, even bare and covered soil. So if you're doing like a lawn renovation and you already burnt everything out and you want to spray down some or even use the granular formula and spray down some humic acid over the bare soil, it's okay to do because it's a soil conditioner. But it is also going to help your soil increase the water retention in the soil, so it's going to help absorb water and moisture, so it help your plants or your lawn stay moisturized longer. It's going to feed on the nitrogen a lot better, so you're not wasting nitrogen. So humic acid has many benefits. Like I said, this is the first time I'm going to use it on this lawn, and I'm actually on a race against Mother Nature because today we're supposed to get pretty much like a downpour of rain. So I think let me get my Milorganite down and the humic acid down and let Mother Nature do the watering in. That helps a lot in case my water bill down. The missus do not like that when the bill kind of spikes up. So I'm going to let Mother Nature help me out today. So, but for the liquid formula, it's supposed to break down faster than the granular formula, but there's been a little bit of studies. People have been showing that the granular formula is just as good as liquid formula. But like I said, today I went ahead and bought had this one delivered to me, and it was only about a little under 20 bucks delivered to the door. So I don't need much. My two halves on my lawn, I round them up to about 500 square feet. This is a 1-quart bottle. It's supposed to cover 5,000 square feet. So I'm guessing I might need around, I want to say 3 ounces, total of 6 ounces for both sides, 3 and 3. And I think that should do me fine. It's the perfect time to get the humic acid down along with getting my fertilizer down. So it's supposed to break down faster into the soil. So I'm gonna use a lot more of my nitrogen. I'm not gonna have a lot go to, using maybe 50-50. I want my plant and my lawns to actually absorb it a little better, absorb my nitrogen a lot better, and basically help my soil conditions out. Like if you need help stabilizing your soil's pH, adding humic acid to it is a great benefit. Has a great benefit to helping you do that. And I don't want to talk too much and bore you guys. Let's get to action. Let's get spreading this stuff down. So, as you can see, I used the whole container. Probably got a little corner in there, but like I said, this is my first time using humic acid on this lawn itself. Me personally, I actually do like the granular formula. It's a little easier to spread down, but this is what I had to work with. I ordered it, so it was about under 20 bucks, like I said. And I'm gonna hurry up and get out of here. It's hot. Actually, the breeze is feeling good right now, but we was well overdue for some rain. So, but as you can see, the sky here is gonna pour down. So this is Lawn Amateur. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll go in further depth about the humic acid a little later, but today this video is a wrap. Take care. So as you guys can see, the plan worked out perfectly. The rain is coming down, so everything will be watered in just right. As you see, both of the lawns, both sides look good. It's already a nice green. So with the Milorganite down and that little bit of iron in it, we'll give it a quick boost of green. It'll green it up a little better. I like to keep my lawn green. I got a little bit of lawn fungus. As you see, it's still in there trying to hang on, but it's in its last stages. And pretty much everything looks good. So the missus can't be mad at me about using a lot of water. So I got a little help from my good old friend Mother Nature. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll go over that humic acid a little more in depth and down the line. Today I just wanted to get it down, get everything in, so I could get this actual watered in by Mother Nature. So take care, and stay tuned. And I appreciate you guys. Whoa, you hear that? I got to get in the house now. Take care.